Scheduling module. In the print and packaging industry, meeting deadlines is crucial. Introducing the DynamicsPrint Scheduling module, your solution for efficient production planning. With the scheduling module from DynamicsPrint, you can easily manage all your sales orders, make accurate capacity planning, allocate resources, and track progress in real time. The ERP system is designed to scale seamlessly, accommodating increased workloads, new product lines, and expanding customer demands without compromising performance. Whether you want to schedule on a very rough basis, or if you need details for all your departments and work centers, DynamicsPrint gives you what you need. The DynamicsPrint Gantt chart offers you a real-time graphical production overview. The friendly and easy-to-understand Gantt chart timeline is the quickest and most practical way to plan, schedule, manage, and assign all your jobs with drag-and-drop simplicity. Any changes in the schedule will immediately show up on the screen and will be considered as new jobs are scheduled. The order progress list gives you a total overview of the work and jobs in progress and offers you quick insights and feel of the actual production status. Refine your scheduling by reviewing the order load from different work centers. Reschedule according to actual job statuses and generate a work list for each operator or machine. And finally, the Plan Optimizer makes sure your production orders are being manufactured to the highest level of efficiency and at the fastest pace possible. Maximize your efficiency with the scheduling module from DynamicsPrint, powered by Microsoft, the preferred ERP solution in the printing and packaging industry. Visit DynamicsPrint.com to learn more about our modules and schedule a free demo with one of our top-tier consultants.